if you want to delete all of your Instagram reposts at one time, it's very simple to do. It only takes a couple steps. So let's go to Instagram and we'll go to our profile at the bottom right-hand corner. And as you see here, I have all my posts and reels, but you also have a repost section here. And as you see, I have one, but I want to delete it. So we can go to the three bars at the top right corner, and you want to scroll down until you see where it says your activity. It should be in the top section. And you just want to go to where it says reposts. And as you see, this has my reposts in it. So if you have multiple, all you need to do here is go to select, and you have to manually go through and select all of the reposts that you want to get rid of. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a select all option. So if you have a lot of them here, you would just have to go through and manually select every single one that you want to get rid of. Once you're done with that, go to the delete option at the very bottom. As it says one here, it will show all of the ones that you selected. So it will ask you to confirm and go ahead and hit delete. And that's it. From that point forward, all of your reposts will be deleted and you will have nothing there. And that's it. It's super easy and super simple.